tomato split pigeon pea stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pigeon pea recipes and one of the most delicious of the peas recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes. Today we are going to make split pigeon pea tomato stew. Ingredients are 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 25 grams of ginger, 10 shallots, 2 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, and 100 grams of split pigeon pea soaked in water for half an hour. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the fennel seeds. Salt, until the smell comes out of the fennel seeds. Now put in the shallots. Salt the shallots. Put the fennel seeds. Saute. Put in the ginger. put in the garlic. Salt the garlic. The rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Saute and mix thoroughly until now put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly saute the tomato pieces. The rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Saute and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly saute and mix. Keep on sauteing until the tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients are nicely integrated into each other. Thoroughly saute and mix. And saute. Quarter spoon of turmeric powder and 2 red chillies and salt to taste. Mix thoroughly and thoroughly mix with the rest of the mixture. Keep on mixing. Now put in the split pigeon pea. Mix the split pigeon pea. The rest of the mixture. Pour in around 200 tablespoons of water. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Now the split pigeon pea tomato stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final tomato split pigeon pea stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the pigeon pea recipes and one of the most unique of the peas recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes and one of the most different of the soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.